that is RCU. Repository creation unit. Actually, RCU provides the schemas to SoA, and also it with the help of it you can also create multiple repositories within a single database. So let's now start with the installation for RCU. Let me take you first to the downloaded folder where it is located. Go to my computer, then C drive, then the same folder named StageFMW. Here you can see this folder named RCU home. This is the downloaded folder. Open it. Here you can see multiple folder. Find the bin folder. Here it is. Then enter into it. Then you can see here there are multiple DLL and .exe batch files. So we have to find the file rcu.bat. Here it is, RCU. This is the file that needs to be executed in order to install RCU in our system. We'll be doing this with the help of command prompt. And why we are using command prompt to do this, you'll get to know in a short while. So to install RCU, we have a prerequisite to take care of. What is that prerequisite? It is that we need to set a value of environment variable to true. And what is the name of that environment variable? RCU underscore JDBC underscore trim underscore blocks. This is the name of the environment variable that needs to be set to true before installing RCU on our system. Failing to do so, you might encounter some errors in your installation. So it's better to take care of this prerequisite. So we will do it with the help of command prompt. So I'm just setting the value of that environment variable to true. Let me check it if it's been set to true or not properly. Echo RC underscore so it shows the value true, so it's been properly set to true. Now let's start with the installation. So first I will be changing my directory to the bin directory. Which bin directory? This one. I have to change my directory to this path. I'll be copying this directly. Why we are changing my path to this bin directory? Because it contains the file RCU cd. So now I am in the bin directory. We'll be running this file now. Enter. So here we start with the installation and creation of a repository creation. Click on next. Create. So here you have to provide the database connection details. Host name will be localhost. Then port will be 1521. You have to choose the port number as 1521. 1521 is the default port for database listener. It's known as database listener port. Service name ORCL. Username sys, then password as Oracle. The same password which I gave during my creation of database, installation of database. I gave the password Oracle. Click on now next. The database you are creating is with non-EL3 characters. So you can safely ignore this warning. Click OK. So these are the components You have to choose which one to install. We need to install SoA and BPM infrastructure. So I just checked on this component, and along with this components, the subcomponents, these two components are also automatically checked. Just wanted to make this to just have a look at this one. Now you can click on next. Okay, you have to provide the password for this schema. I will choose password as Oracle. Let me just keep a note of this one. You can choose any other password if you like to. I just kept a note of this one because this password, because it will be required in our further installation. Click next. Components, these are the table spaces that are to be created. Next. Okay. Click OK. These are the component details that are going to be created. Metadata services, SoA infrastructure, BAM, and UMS create. So it will take take at most about 2 minutes to be created. So we are now done with the installation of our repository creation unit. So you can see the status here, success, with all the components. So click on close. So now we are done with the installation of RCU.